Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Coffee Time. My name is Armin and today is 21st of March 2024. Oh, this is 2024 and let me say here Happy Persian New Year to all people because this is really spring. And let me explain what I like to do today. I need to make a small casino here in Blazor and C# and ASP framework, which I need to just like something like just learn about. I need to make 10 games and we're going to start with roulette one. As you see here, I have here pretty new. It's not pretty new, it's just C# language, ASP framework application. Let me run it. It has nothing yet, just basic things, which is I need to work on is this one, small casino page one. I'm gonna open it. Just wait, my PC is killing sometimes. It has a database. I need just to show how these things, casino and gambling websites works, and just make some example or a sample. Okay, and here is this one. Here is this login system. I'm gonna log in, make account, which is now default implemented, and I have here admin page, which is at the time nothing special there, no users found. Okay. And here I have casino page, which is this one, and now at the time is empty. What I like to do and talk about is this. I need to make two blazor component, because here, if you understand here, what will happen is 80% of the way, or let me say solved. Okay, I have here two component blazor component. I need to make a mechanism here between these two components to communicate with each other. For example, what I mean by communication, for example, if I click here, something shows there, or if I click here, something happened there. This is parent one and that is a child one. Okay. I need to make a roulette one or a roulette machine in two components. I need to do one component is gonna ask for your input as numbers. For example, as we know, roulette contains or it starts from 0 to 36. Okay, I need to ask my user to choose some numbers or bet. After that, I need my client to click to start the game, and after that I need to see winning numbers and result here in other components. Okay, in other component database also will coming to track the numbers. For example, because I need to use here a random function, it starts with random, and then we want to see in the next part how this random number can be changed. For example, sometimes we see a number is not coming for 1, 2, 3 days in real casinos or in real flash machines. We want to check that also, but in this part I need to make two component, two blazor component, which the first one ask for my input, after that start the game, and then I need to see numbers, what's the result of this spin. Okay, this is so easy. And let me go for components. I have here component folder. Okay, this web page is on here in my GitHub. You can find it, and I'm going to put just updated there. Where is my component? Here I have a component I need to make it so simple. I say here, okay, I'm gonna add one component, and the name wanna be random generator. You can change it or whatever you want, because I'm using random number generator, that you know this is just a number generation. Okay, I say here random number generator that razor page. That's just a razor page. And here we have, just as you know, here is our component. Our component, okay, what's the difference between component and page? Just the first one. You see casino, this is just a page, okay. I am also be able to make object of this one, but this is just a page, and now I need to make a component, just a component, okay. That's not a page, reusable component everywhere, okay. For that one, as we talked about here, I need I'm going first for back end part. Okay, I need as we know, we need to make a component with two things. One, when I click, something there happened, and I want also to make, when I click, just disable the start click when that spin is finished, and then reactivate all those things again, okay. Say here parameter, because I need to initialize this one in other page, in that admin page, and I say this component accept one parameter. Now just at the time, and that is just I say public, and then we have here something like event color, event callback, here event callback, and I say okay, one of that number is integer, okay, this is the first one, which is now integer, and I say for example the name wanna be on random generated, this is just like a variable, you say, but I'm going to call this function from other. I need to call this parameter, which is now contains other code, from other pages or components, okay, because this is reusable component. Okay, now I say here one more copy, give it to me. I say this component actually accept two parameters, because one is a boolean, which is show me or this is activated or not, and the second one generate a number. And I say here generation, for example, number change, something like this, I don't know. Okay, this is now two event callback to communicate with other component and get a result in my this class or this component or this code, whatever you wanna. Okay, here I say here I have a private I have here private boolean. This is just boolean, true or false, and generating number, or I don't know, or generating number is equal to false, okay, because this is false, nothing yet started, and generating number is just false. And then I have other prop, okay, I have other prop which is in this case I say this is just a string variable user number, which my user choose to which number, and yeah, it can be more than one, just that's a type of array or a list, and I'm going to take it later, a string, and this is equal to empty one, a string. This is just at the time that's just public string get set. I mean, I don't need get set here, okay, just that's a private number. And then we need also other thing, winning number prop, I mean winning number message, because this is I say here string, and that wants to be winning number, I mean winning, I need to care about grammar and just write message is equal to again empty one. Winning number message private, or it can be also private. Winning number message get and set. What's the problem here? Why is so slow? Okay, and now let me close this one now. No get set again here. I don't need get set, sorry. Okay, now now here this is a component. We see all variables here, and now let's make now let's make it further. I say here private method, async method. You know what's async method, and this is a task. Generate random number. You know how generate random number, and this is a method, as you know. Okay, generate random number. What say await. Okay, that's okay. I say here when here is clicked, when there is click, now we come back here to front one. If I click it here, I need first of all put this one as true. Okay, this is now false, game not yet started, and here just game started. Let me explain, because I don't have really time. I'm going to make it faster, and I hope you get it. Generating number is equal to true, because you know that, and I need here to make other things here. I say here generation await generating number change, where is it, dot invoke async. So simple, so easy, true. And then I need the result. I need, for example, to wait 10 seconds before the number is coming. Just wait 10 seconds and then show me that number. And we have that task delay, which is 5 seconds, for example. 5 seconds. What's this? Generation number changed. That's okay. What's problem here? Into this is bool one. Oh, I'm crazy. One integer and one boolean. Okay. And now let me come here in front one, which I need. For example, let's take this easy one, input input. I say here input type is text. Okay, type is just text, and then I want here ask for user numbers, which is a string. Which one is that? Here, user number. Okay, and I say here you bind this one like this syntax. So here text, that is okay, and then for me bind is equal to user what happened there? Bind is equal to, for example, user numbers, which user numbers. Here I need to say here user numbers, user numbers, and then a text placeholder, your bet please, and then I say here which is the right one. Let me see. Input type, what's problem here? I see here input, input. Okay, input type is equal to text, and you bind it with this number. That's okay. And I need also a button. Okay, button and button JavaScript and those things. At on click, I need to say when I click on this button, you call a method for me, which is generate random number. For example, generate random number here, generate random number, for example. Okay, and then start the game, for example. Okay, and here that is okay also. And now here I mean here, for example, you say user say 7. What the heck is this now? For example, this is here the user enters 7, 8, 25, 36, 7, and no, not yes, 7. It can be 2 times 4, for example. Okay, I need to take all these strings and convert it to array. There are other approaches also available, but I'm going for this one. Here, I mean here, after that I know some things. I say here I have a string of array. This is a string of array which is as input. For example, numbers array, for example, is equal to new list of, for example, integer. Take string, convert to integer. Numbers array, that's okay. And then why? Oh, sorry, I mean here. Here, let's say user numbers split. If I get here user numbers split, because I know that's just a comma, split here, split there, and then that's good. User numbers string or where is it? Let me find is this user numbers, and then one more here. Should be okay. User numbers. Why user numbers? Let me see. User numbers. User numbers, I see here, no problem. Split one, but I'd say here split. I don't need like this. Split. What it says? Split user numbers dot split. Sorry, I'm crazy. I'm really crazy. Here I say here, what the fuck here. Okay. number arrays, number arrays is a for loop to put all those things in a array of integer. Parse number string, number string, not string. Here I'm going to put there and then int number, and then say what happened here, number out integer number, and then here I have a list, I mean list of, here I say here a list of integer numbers is equal to new list of int, and then maybe that's okay, new list of integer, that is okay. And then I say here when you got that number, I say numbers dot add, I'm going to add to that list one. Which one? Number. Yes, okay. Now here I have all user input in the form of integer, and then here I need to generate the random number, I have import something, random, let me see, here is equal to new random. What's the problem here? Random, yeah, that's okay, my PC is dead. Okay, random, and then I say here integer random generate index number, random generate index number, I mean here number, and take random dot next. I need to generate a number from 0 to 37 doesn't calculate, 36. Okay, and here is this, and then here let me say, and then now that's it, this line is generate a number. Okay, but now I need to do some other things. Wait a moment, here I say here I have also winning message. I say here if numbers dot contain, come up, if numbers dot contain this one, random integer falan, random generation index number, if that one contain this one, this is winning number. For example, winning number message is equal to for example, let's say like this, congrats, for example here, and then let's say here this one is the winning number, else, I mean here else, I mean here not here, else will do just nothing, winning number message, just reset it, is equal to, I mean not that one here. Okay, and now communication method, communication part in blazor one with other component, we had here a method which was on random generated. Okay, on random number generated. Which one is that? On random number generated. Here that that invoke async, and that's want to be you broadcast this one. That is this one. Okay, this is the way how we communicate now on the next line. And then here say again generation a boolean one, generating number. Which one was that? Generating number is again wants to be wants to be false. Generating number is equal to false. Okay, is equal to false. After that say await again generating number. Which one was generating number? Change, because we want now control with the other component to disable things, and just here again dot invoke async, and this is here false. Okay, this is a simple component, very easy, just you need to understand how here things works. That's it. Okay, now let me go for the other part. This is the one, this is the first one, random generated. And here, I mean, the next component here, which I need, is a very simple one. Just now I need to make a component and pass these necessary things from that component to communicate with this one, A to B, B to A. Okay, and the next, for example, I don't know, here component one, I have other razor component. I want to say, for example, this component now wants to call that component random, for example, I don't know, random number, this is random number container. This is also razor component. Okay, this is also, as you know, before of going to the next, as you know, I can now initialize that component, which is the random number random number generator. You see, random number generator. Like this, I'm going to call that component. Okay, but this is not the case. Now I need to make some things here. I want to initialize or to make to call that function. Let me say that was random, okay, generation, but it had two event callback, which was integer, which was a boolean, true or false. Okay, here you see all those that two methods. Okay, I say here on random generated, I want you to call a function here in this class, and then the result of that wanna execute some things there. Okay, that's just how simple is it. I say here this is the first one, and the second one is generated number change. This is also other one, and now I'm going to close this. This is how I'm going to make connection with the other one. Okay, before I'm going to fill these things, I need do some changes here. I say here private int random number. Now we work in other component with own data tables, with own variables, everything else. Okay, private, and I say here I have integer. It's simple. This one, this callback is integer. This is a boolean. Okay, I'm going to say private bool generating number is equal to false. Okay, it's equal to false. And now I need to make a method here just to pass these things to that component. Let's make a method here, private async task. Async, that's just task. I don't know, handle random number generated. I need to say I need here accept as integer as number. This method accept integer as number. Okay, and I say here when I call this random number is equal to the number which is coming from other class. Okay, other component. I say here random number and make this one generation number, and this should call other method here. Wait a moment, here say here this is false. And now here I make other method because I need to cut it. And another generated here instead of generate, I say here change and change. This is bool is generating. This is to disable is generating. I'm talking too much. And generate number. Here generating number is equal to is generating, which is coming from other component. And here I make other method. I say here generate random number. Generate random number, generating number is equal to 2. Private async. Oh yeah, I remove here generating number is equal to, my PC is dead. It's true. Okay, and now here, and now I have two methods. The first one returns an integer, just method type. The second one is just boolean. Okay, which is connected to this one here, other component. Okay, and now if I want now to call that one, I say here on random generate. You say on random generate handle number generated, just call this one, and return type is also what it should be, and other one I say here call this one. Okay, now I have a component which is initializing other component, and I pass necessary things what it need as parameter. Oh, parameter. Okay, now wait a moment. That is okay, that is okay. And now this is two component, but I have here casino page. Okay, I have here casino page, and I want now to call which component? I need to call my container component. Here I say here, for example, random number generate random number container. What's problem here? Random number random, let me see, is there any problem there? Random number container, I see no problem here. Let me like this, because now 100%, see, 85, it's killing. Okay, let me go here, casino, here, and here, if I say here random number container, here random number container, and now I'm going to casino page to see the result of. Let me see. Let's see, or to me this is okay. To me that should works. Come on, just wait, it will come one day. Come on. Well, 1 year later. When I use Manicam, it is killing my everything here. Manicam is too heavy. Okay, now let's go to casino page. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's come here. Actually, I'm going to remove this. Why? Oh, okay. Let's rerun it. Hot. Away, this is just killing me. I need now choose some numbers, click, and see winning number. Is that match with my number? Somehow, I don't know now, make it later. If it's match, some other things should happen. I go to casino one. Okay, you please your bet. Now we change just front. I'm not a front end guide. I say here 4, 8, 7, 15. I mean no. 5, 8, 11, 13, 36, 8, 5, 8, 11, 13. For example, it's like this. Okay. On click, nothing happened there. Let's wait 5 seconds. What happened there? 4, 8. Just wait. Piece by piece is killing. It's just dead. Let's check the code. 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 Inputs, just type text by numbered users, placeholder, generation, or generate random number. Okay, that's okay. Generate random number, I see no problem there. Private async tag, generate random number. Generation number is equal to true. Wait, generation number change, invoke async, that's okay. Task await, task delay 5 seconds. String number, array number split, that's okay, that's okay. And random, here I say here randoms with numbers contain, congrats, number contains on random number and then change random change, I see no problem here. Generating number false, that is okay. Container, let me check container. See, there is a problem here. Random number, that is okay. This is okay. That is okay also. That is okay. This is okay. Okay. Oh, I need to show here at random number to see result. Okay. Number false, that's okay. Generate, let's see. Come on. Okay, let's come here. 4, 8, 9. Start. Let me see. Oh, I get something 5 seconds. Let's 5 seconds, and this should be also number 6. It's disabled. Show 16, 29. Okay, why it's not getting disabled? Why it's not getting disabled? Okay. Let's say here. Let's say here. I have a button here. Why it's like that? Button, and I say here again on click is equal to generate. Yeah, I have here generate random number. Generate random number. Disabled is equal to at generating number here, which is here. Where is it? Generating number, which is true or false here. Okay, generating number. Here say start. Dead. for example. What happened here? This is really good. Okay. I need to remove button interface from the generator component. I need to click here. I call just that. Let's check. Start bet. Okay, this is just wait a moment here. I'm saying here. Way yo, this is double T, bro. Okay, here, let me see here. We have here. If I say here, this is comment, and like this, just run it now. To me, that's okay. Let's just. I have here the image as casino GPG. Let's use it. That's image, but when you wait for 5 seconds, show a picture, or I don't know, show wait, or show just animation things here. For example, I say here 8, 9, 2. Start bet. Button disabled. Button disabled. Button disabled. Where dead. Why it shows 0 just? Let's check here. Why it show me 0 there? Why I need to call this button also? Let me see where 5000 to 7 number container. What's this? This is nothing. Number container. Why shows 0? Disable generating number. Random number is equal to random number. Public async task. This is async. Oh, let me see here. Here I need just why I copy that thing. This is a void method. No return type. Am I right? Yes, am I right? Yeah. And here it can be task or let me just try it again. Something missing. Generating number. Private. That's okay. That's okay. There is no problem there. Casino, my casino. Oh, my PC dead. Start bet. Start. Okay, let's see. 10, 5. what's missing here? 4 2. Oh, okay. 21. Where is my message? For example, 8 7 10 24. Still no. 6. But that's actually not what I if I click here, you wait, 21, again start the game, rebet, 33, 34, 34, 34, 34. Where is my message? 34, 34, here, random number generator. Where is my 34? A winning number message. If numbers, which is here, that contains random number generation, which is did. Winning number message. Okay, but wait a moment. Where you show it? Winning generation, random number. Okay, that's also okay. Unconnect generation, random number, winning message. I don't say here. But winning message. I don't know that's okay or not, but I think that's only the way to go. Let's go here to casino page. Oh, again. $20. Ah, yes, yeah, congrats. 14 is a winning number. And wait a moment here, in that 5 second, I need, for example, to use this image. Here, where is it? Here. I need here to say, here I'm going to remove it. After on click, I say here, if we have here a generating number which is true and false. I need to say if that is true generating number, then show me, say when the button is disabled or generating number is on process. I say here image src emg, and source wants to be here root, and that is casino.jpg. when that is on the root casino.jpg, and I loading. I like it. This is simple CSS. But casino, I think I'm going to remove you. On click, show me weight, or I don't know, show me animated spinning roulette table, or what. To me, result is very important. Yeah. Bro, my PC is killing. Wow, 196. Wow, that's because of Manicam. Before it gets shut down, I'm going to cut part 1. Here I'm going to casino. For example, 1 2 start like this. Hey, and then you want to show me result. Waits 5 seconds and I say number 10, which is not in your choose number. Okay, I'm going to stop it for here for part 1. Here we need to make some changes and make our database to track incoming numbers in whole day or days. Guys, have a nice day. I hope you enjoy this one. I'm going actually here say commit roulette, and that is now available in my GitHub. I'm going to upload this one. You can learn from basic things. Okay, have a nice day. See you in the next one, and bye.